Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to look at see how we can create a web page right here on this computer here. We're going to be using right here video studio code, right? Studio code. We can right click, but I have it open right here. So I'm just going to click. All right. So this is exactly how it looks like Visual Studio Code, right? First thing that I wanted to do, you notice right here, is a new file, open, open folder, right? Open walkthrough. So I'm going to click right here to new file, this show up right up here. So what I wanted to do, I'm going to type index, index right there, dot html. Now when I do that, now I'm going to come right here, that's a file, I'm going to click on that. Now when I click on that, now it take me right here to the desktop. I want to click right here to ensure that it's saved on desktop, that I can get back to it as quick as possible. This is right here, so create file, cancel, I'm going to click. Create file. Notice right away here, show me that I can actually type, but let me minimize the seat on the desktop. All right, so there you go. Right here is on the desktop. So I'm going to bring up back this. So then we're going to put in our tag. So we're going to put in the heading tag right now, which is HTML, right? And then we're going to put in the closing bracket. But if you notice it's right here, with the closing bracket right here, I'll just press enter to bring it down. So I'm going to put in the head, and then I'm going to close the head right there. Right, and then we'll press enter again. So I'm going to put the title right inside the middle here, and then I'm going to close it. Right, so if you notice right there, just want to put a little space right at title in here, but right where you see the head right there, you click that head and press enter. So you're going to write the word body right there, and then I'm going to close it. Just like that, I'm going to press enter. Right, so everything that I'm going to write is right here in the body, then I'm going to put right here in the heading. So in the heading here, definitely, I want to write something in here. There's a web page. An example right here. Good. So in the right here, we're gonna actually put P. So P stands for paragraph right here. So in the middle, I'm gonna type my first web page. Good. So next thing I wanted to do is press save. So I'm gonna come right here, click on file. Notice I come right here and click on save. Right, I'm going to minimize this up here. So here we go now, we're going to right click on it. We're not going to click on the word open right here. We're going to come all the way down here. That's open with, you notice. Firefox, Google, Explorer. So I'm going to click on Google Chrome. Open it definitely in Google Chrome. Right? So this is just a simple way how you create it. You notice right here. Show you my web page. You know, so press my web page right here. You notice you can actually create a next window right here. Notice this is YouTube right here. You can actually type it. So this is that simple web page. Right? Let me bring up this particular here. Right? So if I click right here at the body now, I'm gonna press enter. So I'm gonna put something else in it. Right? So I'm gonna press H1. Alright, so H1 is for heading. Right? So I'm gonna put word software inside of it. And put that in capital. Good. When I finish, I want to do the same thing by saving it. Alright, so I'm gonna refresh it right here. Notice you come right up here. You click right here and you refresh it. You notice it actually show right there. But this web page here, what you can do, you can come right here and click. You notice you can actually type. You notice where it's a YouTube and all that. You want to go back to web page that you actually click, you go right here. So definitely, whenever time you open a page like this and you see all of this, right? Definitely, these are pure code that actually make up that particular page, right? So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.